box traveled 11,000 kilometers to reach me. So basically, I got this from India. I moved to Canada almost 3 months back, and I needed a few things. So my family got this delivered to me. I'm going to tell you whether this is actually worth it or not. So the first is very obvious. A box of pinni, not 2 packets of walnuts. Now, dry fruit is something that I would recommend anybody to bring along with you, because I did not find any good quality dry fruit here, be it Bulk Barn, Costco, Walmart. The quality was actually not very good. So dry fruits, again, I have some almonds with me, cashew nuts. Now, this is specially from Goa. So good. Then some black raisins. Borolin. Now, this is something that you can get here very easily. Anchwati or any Indian store would definitely have it for you. I have this pillow. Again, I bought 2 or 3 pillows from Walmart and Costco also. I did not like them. Now, because anyways the package was getting delivered to me, I thought कि ये भी मंगवा लेते हैं. Next up is this Nykaa box. Now, this is so nostalgic. When I was in India, I swear I used to have Nykaa packages delivered to me almost every other day. I think all the girls here can relate to that. They have Ulta Beauty, but it's nothing compared to Nykaa girls. Can you see the packaging? My brother did this. He's just so good with packaging, you guys. Now, these crunches, of course, you can get anywhere in Canada, but these are of very, very good quality, and the elastic, just great quality. You should definitely try this. I want to give a shout out also to this brand. It's called Mueras, Muir. I reorder from there. They are very, very good quality. So this is from Mish Hair. This is the Donuts Crunchy. I'll be reviewing it soon on my channel stall. This is very warm. We got it from Manali. Some extra rubber band. Now, this is more like a legging sort of a thing, but you can wear it like socks only. This actually covers the lower portion of my legs, and the upper portion of my legs is anyways covered with long jackets and coats. And I do not actually need to wear a separate legging with my tight jeans, if that makes sense to you. The best part is you can remove it anytime you feel hot. Now, my verdict on whether you should get your stuff delivered from India or not. 8,500 rupees is something that my parents spent, and then I spent another $20 on the custom fee, okay? And that absolutely doesn't make sense. Anything you want, almost everything here, apart from these, I guess, we can get it here very easily in Canada. Of course, they will be more on the pricier side, but still, you're going to save almost $200. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, bye.